Hello, I'm starting this vlog off with a crazy face, but it's Sunday night and this is going to be a week in my life uni style. I'm currently doing my nails, this very vibrant pink colour, which is the tune and tone we're going for this week, and I've got teeth whiteners in, and yeah, so just thought I'd take you along with me this week. We'll see how it goes, see how much I actually get. I look a little crazy right now. I've got tan on and I'm going to take it off super soon, but I've got a little bit of a list to do. I've just had my fruit. I need to put the washing out, pack my bag. Thought I was going to iron this morning, but I don't think I have time because I just realised how long it takes to get to university and I have to find a non-paying park, which takes like 20 minutes, so I'm going to do that. You struggling?
Yes.
Hello, I'm here with one of my besties, Catherine. She's currently doing her masters at Canterbury. I've just finished my political science class. We've had a wee chat, had with a couple of other people, and now I'm heading home, which is going to go back to her studies like the studious little soul she is. And yeah, so I'm going home now. And yeah, I had poli-sci and had my workshop, which I did not film in because, you know, that's weird. But yeah, I'll catch up with you later. Okay, so I'm home now and I'm going to do some reading and some quizzes, you know, normal uni stuff, like homework I guess. And I'm going to listen through my lecture again on Echo, which is a recording site that you can listen to your lecturers, hear the questions and everything, and see the PowerPoints as they're happening. So it's like an after. It's for all the distance students they use it, but I use it to read listen so I can really like get in it. And I'm going to do some ironing, I think. First time Andy's been able to pick up.
Oh, look, he loves it. Andy loves being snuggled into.
Good morning. It is Tuesday, second day to this vlog. I'm just about to go downstairs. I'm already. The temperature and weather outside is a bit iffy, so I have no idea what it's going to turn to. It's supposed to get up to 20, so I'm going to bring a sweater just in case, but I'm going to go downstairs, have some breakfast. I've already had fruit this morning, and pack my bag. Hello, so it's currently the end of the day in the sense of I'm done at uni now. I had my political science class this morning, then I was doing some reading which you caught, and I had my psychology class and my law class. And law, we're doing a lot of philosophical theorist type of stuff at the moment, which I'm finding really interesting, but a lot of people are like, why are we doing this? So that's fine. And psych was really good. That was interesting, but there was so much note taking. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go through and redo my notes and everything and go through Echo and re-listen to him so I can get some of the talking points that he got, but that's fine. Basically, I'm just waiting for Dad to get back in the car. We're going fruit shopping and then we're going home, and then I think we might be going out for dinner, but I'm not quite sure yet. So if we are, I'll bring you along with us. If we're not, then I won't. We're going to Mexico. Not the country, the restaurant. So I'm back home now. That was the food we ate that you saw in the last clip. It was absolutely delicious. That is Mexico, which is a chain of food restaurants throughout New Zealand and we love it, but I'm back home now. I've got a bunch to do. I have to do my reading for my law lecture tomorrow. I need to write out my political polls 104, write out my psych 105 and my law 110. So I'm gonna grind and get through that. Yeah. And that's it for now. Okay, so we're currently doing international relations and I'm going to write out my law and psych and this, which is fine. It's fine. We're dealing. I'm not clicking on the Netflix. This is my beautiful friend Emma. She's also in my law and political science classes.
This is so stressful. I'm so stressed.
We're getting through it though. She's using my book to do law. But it's fine. We're doing well. We're motivating each other, so it's okay. It's fine. I will catch you when you let it. Oh, and look at the view. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that a nice, motivating view? So, okay. I'll talk to you later. Slowly, I am lonely, baby. You are bad tonight. Okay, so I'm back home now. The last clip, I think you saw me studying at uni. But I just wanted to show you this. So, I, context, love watermelon. Like, am obsessed with watermelon. And my dad told me, I'm not buying you any more watermelon. No, sorry, it's too expensive. And then, brings home, I don't even know if you can like see that. That's not normal watermelon. That's orange watermelon, but it doesn't taste like orange watermelon. It tastes like normal watermelon. And I'm just, look how good, how good. I'm so excited, and it's delicious too. And Andy sent it up with a note, which is just like even better. But that's the current situation. I'm gonna go downstairs now, and tonight is a chill night because I'm going into uni at like 8 in the morning. So I'll get there at 9ish, and I'm sitting in the library until 1 o'clock because I've got nothing on all day, and I'm going to grind at uni with all my books and everything, which is lovely. But yeah, I'm going to do that so I can really get through absolutely everything I need to. But yeah, that's the current situation. I'm sweating because I just walked here, but I'm one of the first in the library. Like, there's no one at these desks, and there's one just like down there. And then, like, around here, there's, like, no one. There's no one. But it's, like, 9, nearly 9. And I'm starting my day off in the library. It's a long one. But I'm getting all my work done before Friday so I can chill for the weekend. But, yeah, that's the current situation. This is the study setup. Got some almond milk, water, carrots, hummus, to-do list, computer which has PowerPoints and lectures on it, and then that's all my books that I've got to do. And I look crazy. That's fine. It's fine. We're sorting it. We're getting through it so I can have a normal weekend. It would. Next time. it's Sunday now. I just wanted to wrap up the whole week because Saturday and Sunday I have not vlogged like anything because I have literally been studying the whole entire weekend. And I got one thing that I've learned from this week from other people and myself is if you're feeling really tired or you're in a slump and you're not processing any of the information that you're working on, take a nap. I swear on my life, I took a 2. I obviously needed it. Just this week was really tiring and I get up really early because I commute to school. To uni. I don't actually live at uni, so I have to get up at 6:30 in the morning to be at classes by 9, which is a bit of a rip on my part, but take a nap. Honestly, I made my friend take a nap the other day and she got into the lecture and you could see she was so much brighter and like focused than she was previous, and she wasn't doing any work before taking a nap. She was just in a bit of a slump because she was just so tired, and I had to do it yesterday. I was exhausted and I was trying to process political science information and I just couldn't, so I was like, right, I'm sorry, I'm going to take a nap now. And everyone's like, fine. It was like 5 o'clock at night, which is, you know, not ideal when you want to be sleeping at a normal sleep schedule. I was like, I have to do it. I had like a 2.5 hour sleep, woke up and I swear on my life, like got straight into it and I was so productive for the next like 2.5-3 hours that I was doing work because I had the sleep. So if I've learned anything this week, take naps if you need sleep and you're not focusing on your work, because it honestly helps. That, or do like a walk somewhere, like a 10-minute fast walk, because it really does help. I've just had a coffee and I'm getting back into studying, but I just wanted to end this vlog here and say thank you so much for watching. If you've watched up to this point, you're absolutely amazing and insane. Thank you so much. That is mad if you actually have the capacity to watch this much of me. Yeah, that's just so weird to me, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. I really hope you have an amazing week and get on that grind if you have to study or if you've got work, and take some time for yourself. Thank you so much. I love you, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.